Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a really fun and all-around bag? This one from MEEJUNE is all of that and more. This bag is made from really well-made, durable canvas, and it has so many different features that make it really unique and fun. I love the red color. They have lots of bright, fun colors. It would be fun to get more than one. And the carrying strap has some really fun colors as well. So it's not just that plain red to match the bag, but rather it has those stripes on it that make it really, really fun. And then on the inside, it has this really cool herringbone lining that will make everything stay nice and protected inside the bag. I really like the bag because it looks small, but it's actually pretty deep inside and it's wide. So you could use this bag not just as a purse with your wallet, but also to carry a notebook, a book, a tablet. It has a lot of room, and because the construction of it is well made, everything is going to fit securely, even if it's slightly heavier than you would think to put in there, and everything will hold it in. The bottom of the bag has the same canvas stripping across the bottom, so it'll sit nice and flat. And overall, I just think that this is such a fun summery bag. So there's lots of details that I could show you for this bag, but why not check it out for yourself? You will be really pleasantly surprised by the durability, by how fun it looks, and by how much that you can put inside. And that's just my point of view.